friends, welcome back to my channel Decor Styles. Friends, in today's video I will share some amazing and outstanding modern patio design backyard garden ideas that will blow your mind. Friends, patio design is the process of creating an outdoor space that is usually attached to a house or a structure and is used for dining, recreation, or relaxation. You can sit here with your family. You can spend your quality time with your family. Patio design involves choosing the location, shape, size, material, features, and decor of the patio to suit your needs, preferences, and budget. A patio is different from a deck, which is a raised platform that is usually made of wood or composite or materials and may have railings or stairs. A patio is a ground level slab that is usually made of concrete, stone, brick, or other materials and may have a roof or a pergola for shade. There are many factors to consider when designing a patio, such as the size, shape, location, function, style, and materials of the space. Here are some tips to guide you. Plan a patio layout that suits your need and preferences. Think about how you want to use the patio, what kind of furniture and accessories you want to include, and how much space you have available. You can draw a scaled plan of your patio on paper or use an online tool to visualize it. You can also mark the boundary of your patio in your yard with rule or stakes to get a better idea of how it will look. Choose a patio material that matches your budget, style, and maintenance level. There are many options for patio flooring such as concrete, pavers, bricks, stones, gravel, wood, or tiles. Each material has its pros and cons in terms of cost, durability, appearance, and installation. You can also mix and match different materials to create patterns or borders. Add some patio features that enhance the comfort and appeal of your outdoor space. Depending on your climate and lifestyle, you may want to consider adding a pergola, a fire pit, an outdoor kitchen, a water feature, a hot tub, or a swing to your patio. These features can create focal points, provide shade, warmth, entertainment, or relaxation to your patio. Decorate your patio with plants, furniture, lighting, rugs, cushions, art, and other accessories that reflect your personality and taste. You can choose a color scheme or a theme for your patio decor, such as tropical, rustic, and modern. You can also use plants to add greenery, privacy, fragrance, or texture to your patio. Lighting can create ambiance and mood for your patio at night. These tips help you design your dream patio for your backyard garden. Friends, if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.